Hello and welcome to JKK Mobile again. Box on the table which needs to be opened, and this box should have something from Acer. So Acer netbook, and the specialty of this device is that it has now the Android operating system on the Intel CPU netbook, which means that we get to play with a pretty special Android version. I've been testing a lot Android stuff lately. I got the Arcos 5 and I need to compare different devices. So this is Aspire 1 with Android and Windows XP, so might be interesting to see how the Android part especially is on the device. So trying to get it open. Just a piece of something, the device. Oh, manuals, warranty cards. Okay, I believe 6-cell battery. Yep. Power brick. And is there anything else? The power cord. Okay. Empty box. Then away, and let's hope we have battery on it so we can start using it immediately. So let's boot it up. I believe this way. Yep. So as you can see, it extends quite a bit there, but that's not the point here. This is the Acer Aspire 1 with Android, so the Android is the key element here. As you can see immediately, it's Android logo or Android mascot jumping out of that. Oh man, it has plenty of stuff going on it. Well, first feeling on the device, actually it feels really good. It feels metallic here. This is based on the normal Android, normal Acer Aspire, was it 250 version, I believe. Everything, actually this feels pretty good device on overall, but let's fire it up to see the goodies inside it. I will zoom a bit so you can enjoy with me. Man, the screen is actually quite glossy. That's something I don't like, but let's see how it goes with that. First boot always takes some time. Let's put that to the side for the sec. Yeah, so we get to play with Android on a netbook. That has been quite popular subject nowadays. When the first manufacturers started talking about Android on netbooks, some people really liked the idea and some didn't, but this is the only way to know if it's good or not, by getting a device and testing it. Okay, we are now going in. Is this actually Windows 7 now? It should have been XP, but no, this is with let's see what it is. Let's wait a moment. I will cut the video if this takes too long, so you can get straight to the action, but let's see if it's not that long. The mousepad is really tiny, but English operating. Oh, So I can select the operating system, XP Home. XP Home English, please. Yes, it is my selection, so it's actually loading the image. So this might take a while, so I cut the video now and come back when it's okay. Okay, so back now. It's been about half an hour now and it's been doing stuff. It's updating some 35 things over here. And the Android software was actually installed on as 22nd software there. So the boot up process has not been that great fun because of the slow speed, but now we are on it. So you have to actually install the Android system through the Windows, so you have to first go to XP and then start installing. So it says welcome to Acer Configuration Manager for Android, so let's go there. Select the system you want to use, boot up your computer. I want to boot Android. Okay. System will boot to Windows automatic if you don't press a key to move cursor on specified. Boot Windows after 10 seconds. Okay. That's okay. Username. Oh, it wants to have Google account settings, so you need to have a Gmail to set it up. So I have to put my stuff there, so just a sec, and then next. Oh, there is also skip, so you might be able to skip that, but I put my stuff there. And you have if you have more webmail accounts, you can set those here, but I don't have, so I skip that. And internet and network settings, webmail, select language English. So it's now finished. So what's now? It's still updating those things. So updater. Okay, you have to update something first. Okay. Well, in the meantime, I'm drinking coffee. Yeah, this haven't been the fastest thing. Okay, now I can see the Android here on the system tray. Oh, it's gone now. So what next? Oof, this is not the... Okay, there I can see the icon still, so can I open it again? It goes back. Update. So it should be there now, so let's try to boot it up now. It doesn't do anymore. It's still installing some Acer product registration and Acer path and so on, but let's not care about that. Restart. Let's see what happens. McAfee, yeah, we don't want to see you. Man, I hate those virus softwares when they are installed by default. No, not liking. Let's see if I can put the... Go away! It doesn't let me to boot, I guess. Restart. McAfee. Do not shut down. Man! Why? Stupid manufacturers, why don't you let us have the choice of not installing these things? There's no way. What about full... Let's turn off. Turn off. No. Okay. I'm had it, so let's do this. Bye bye, McAfee, I hate you. Okay, booting up. Let's see if we have choice for Android now. Updating system, please wait. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't nice. So I guess this is now updating the Android part. Let's see. Rebooting again. Come on. Come on. Instant on. Okay, here we go. Now we have at least some logos, but not instantly. Oh, here we go. So now we are on Android desktop, and it looks like any other thing. What's that? There is some cannot reach Google server, it says. We don't have Wi-Fi. No, getting up your Google account. Let's not do that now. Let's put the Wi-Fi on first. So on settings, Wi-Fi on. Oh, it was on. Let's put it on. And then network, where's my network? There you go. And secret, oh, secret password. Okay. Could you now connect, please? Obtaining address. Okay, we are soon on the network. How do I go back? Now this is funny, of course, because it doesn't have the Android keys, so this is now pretty weird to navigate. So I have no idea how to go back. Maybe, yeah, with the Windows Home button I can go back here, home. So now we are connected. So we have the browser over here. Oh, thanks for installing Google Toolbar. Okay, finish. I didn't install that, but if you say so, let's trust you. So, oh man, this is not really that nice experience. Let's disable that, and now we can get rid of that. Okay, and what you see here is actually Firefox, or it's actually the Minefield browser, and man, it's full of stuff. So let's this looks horrible. Let's first clean it before testing. So view toolbars, Google, and let's also disable the bookmarks toolbar to get some stuff going on. Let's test JKK. Is it online now? Yep. Go into JKK mobile. So this is now Android Firefox or Minefield browser running on a Android netbook, and for some reason I can't scroll with the touchpad at all, so I have to use the up down arrow keys, but it's working, and I can see Flash working there too. Let's check it out. So typically on Android you don't get Flash, but let's see. Yeah, we have Flash, so you can play YouTube videos. Not that nicely, but you can do it. Okay, so that was the browser. I will of course that looked weird. I will get into that a bit more, but let's evaluate some other stuff here. So we have alarm clock, the browser. Oh, that's actually the Android default browser. So we have both browsers here, which is a nice thing. Still no scrolling working, so only way to scroll again is with the up and down arrows, and by pressing home we can get to the home. We have calculator, calendar, cam. So can we use the webcam? Yeah. Hello. Looks crappy, but it is there. It is working. Okay. ESC, and we go off. Contacts, email, gallery, Google Talk, messaging, music, network manager, power manager, settings, webmail. Okay, so nothing else. How to install apps? I guess there is no app store, so you can't access the Android markets with this device. Let's see if we can install anything. Let's use the default browser. And how can I access the... Okay, so let me zoom back a bit. So by pressing the this key on the keyboard, you can access you can see those menus, so you get more stuff there. So let's see what we can do there. So go, I pressed go. No, didn't want to go. Okay, now we have the address bar there. Let's go to and what was that called? Sorry, I have to check. The other marketplace and App Store, isn't that? Yeah, I guess. And App Store. Let's try that one. Yep. Let's check new releases. So let's test any software we get there. Oh man, there is millions of software immediately on my face, and I have to say the scrolling part isn't nice. So Ultimate Hold'em Timer. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's not free. So how to go back? We don't have back button for the browser, is it? No? I have no idea. What about with the FN key? With the del? No. Backflash? No. This is not nice to use. Okay, let's try to go that way. No. Let's go to popular then. I have to investigate a lot more. So let's install the App Store client, so that should work. Let's try to install that at least. Okay, it's completed. Let's tap on that. Oh, it's asked me if I'm okay to install stuff from other than Marketplace, and of course we don't have the Marketplace, so it's pretty much impossible to use anything else. So again, now we have to go back to the desktop because I don't know which key to do the back thing, and back to the browser. Then let's do more and download, and here we go, and install. Done. So installing apps seems to be possible, which is good. So let's open the App Store. Updating progress. So basically you don't get to access the Google stuff. I believe you can't use the Google's own software and so on, but you can use other things you can install apps. I have to figure out how to... Oh, ESC is the back button, so that's pretty clear. So I have to figure out how stuff works here, but this is how it's on the Acer netbook. Of course it has full XP also, so it's a full computer in that mind, but this is really the hyped part of this device, and the Android on netbook is that you can run Android on netbooks. If it's fun, if it's useful, that's another thing. Oh, okay, so you can switch to Windows from that thing over there, but I don't want to do that, so not sure if I like this at all, but I have to evaluate more to give you some feedback. So this was all for now. Now I will continue testing with this, of course, comparing the Arcos, the Android feel on the Arcos 5 internet tablet, and then I'm getting the Motorola Droid, the GSM version called Milestone. So I will make you a video comparing these systems all together soon. So this was JKK from jkkmobile.com. Next time something else. Thank you, bye.